Hello students, this is the reasoning puzzle previous year questions SBI 2020 prelims. So at first pause the video and read the question and try to solve by yourself. Then saw the whole solution. So let's start. So according to the question, each persons have different designations: chairman, general manager, assistant general manager, deputy general manager, manager, assistant manager, PO, clerk in a company, in order of seniority in the same as given above. CHM, the chairman is the senior most designation and clerk is the most junior most designations. Only 2 persons are junior than J. Only 2 persons are junior than J. So J, only 2 persons are junior than J. And CHM, then GM, then AGM, then TGM, then manager, assistant manager, PO, and clerk. So only 2% are junior than J. Then only one designation is there between J and O. J and O, or J and O. We don't know who is senior or who is junior, so we have to assume the two possibilities. The next logic is only two designation is there between O and M. O 1 2 M, or M 1 to O. There are two designations between, because we, but there the next line is say that M is senior than O, so this will be eliminated. This is the correct logic. The next is number of persons who are senior than O. It's same as the number of persons who are junior than P. So the number of persons who are senior than O is the same person, the number of junior than P. This is the one logic. And the next is N is senior than P but junior than L. N is senior than P but junior than L. And the last is K is not the junior most position, so clerk is not K. Q is not PO. Q is not PO. So then this is the all logics and we have to put one by one. So what should I put first? So let's assume that J, there are two most junior than, so here is J. Because there are two peoples, the question you can clearly see that only two persons are junior than J. So here J is in this position. Then J and O. So here are two possibilities, J1 O or J1 O. So this is done. This are also done. The next logic was M, then two people, then O. M is senior to O. So O, two people, M. Here is O, two people, M. So this is also done. The next is the people who are senior to O is equal to the people who are junior to P. So here is O. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 people are senior to O. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here comes the P, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 people are junior to P. Similarly in here 1 2 3. 3 people are senior to O. So 1 2 3. Here comes P. 3 people are junior to P. So this is also done. And this is the last logic. P is junior to N and N is senior to N. So here is P, so this should be N and this should be L, and here is P. You can clearly see that the question is N is senior than P. Here P is the most senior person, so this logic will be eliminated, and this is the logic, and we have to put two people. K is not the junior most position. K is not the junior most position. So clerk is not K, and Q is not the PO. So Q is not the PO. So let's reverse the positions, and so here comes K and here comes O. Let's do this in a fresh manner. CHM, GM, AGM, DGM, manager, assistant manager, PO, clerk. So M L N O P J K Q. This is the solution. Let's look at this once again. The first logic says that only two persons are junior than J. So we put this. So J must be an assistant manager. The next logic was only one designation in there between J and O. So J one gap O and J one gap O. There are two possibilities. Then the next logic is only two designations is there in between O and M. So and the next logic is M is senior than O. So if here is O, then 1 to M, and then here 1 is O, DGM is O, 1 to M. So there is also two possibilities. And the next logic is number of persons who are senior than O as the number of persons who are junior than P. So if O is a clerk, then 7 people are senior than O, so P should be the chairman, and here deputy general manager is O, so here 3 people are senior to O, so P must be the manager. So you can clearly see that 3 people are junior to P. The next logic is N is senior to P but junior than L. So here is P is the most senior person, so this logic will be eliminated, and here P, N and L. K is not the junior most person, so K shouldn't be the clerk, so K must be the PO, and Q is not the PO, so Q must be the clerk. So this is the final puzzle. So the next puzzle is, please read out loud and pause the video and try to solve it. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are buying some products one after another, but not necessarily in the same order. At most 2 persons are buying products before F. At most, this is the first logic. At most 2 persons are buying product before F. So here are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. 8 people are there, and at most 2 persons are buying product before F. At most 2 person, not at least, at most. So there are 2 people, then F. Only one person is buying between D and F. So there are 2 logics. One person is buying between D and F. So in one possibility D comes there, and in one possibility D comes there. C is buying just before H. C is buying just before H. Put that logic aside. One person is buying between C and D. One person is buying between C and D. So this logic would be eliminated because here comes C. We can't put C in the place of F. one person is buying, C is buying just before H, one person is buying between, C just buying before H, so we have to put one person is buying between C and D, C and D, C D, and H is just after C. So this logic is done. Next, A is buying just before E, A is buying just before E, B is buying before G, B is buying before G but after E, B is buying before G but after E. So AE, where is the successive places are vacant? Here. So this is the place AE, and here comes B, here comes G. So this is the final logic. So here comes the next question. Pause the video and try to solve it. There are 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and G, H sitting around a circular table facing towards the center of the table but not necessarily in the same order. So let's make a circular table and put 8 places and just make one extra in the case of emergency. So the first logic is B sits third to the A, third to the right of A. B sits third to the right of A. If we assume that let's A is here, so third to the right, 1 2 3, here comes B, and all are facing towards the center, all are facing towards the center. The next only one person sits between B and D, so B 1% D or B 1% D. So there is two possibilities, so we have to use this extra. In one possibility B 1% D, and in one possibility B 1% D. The next logic is E faces C, who is not an immediate neighbor of B. So C will not be here, C will not be here, C will not be here, C will not be here. E faces C. So so in here, if we put C in here, then E doesn't come here. If we put C here, so E comes here. And in this case, if we put E here, C doesn't come. If we put E here, C doesn't come. If we put C here, here comes the E. And the next question is G. Next logic is G sits third to the left of A. G sits third to the left of A. So here is only three places are vacant. Here also 3 places are vacant. If we put F here 1 2 3, so G sits third to the left of A. If we put F here G comes, then it doesn't third to the left. If here G comes, it doesn't third to the left. So here is F and here is G, 1 2 3 third to the left. And similarly here, if here comes 1 2 3, here comes the G. If here comes and here comes the D, that doesn't third to the left. If here comes the G, it doesn't third to the left. So here comes the F and here comes the G. And the last, E is not an immediate neighbor of F, so this logic will be eliminated. So this is the right logic, and one vacant place is there. Here comes A, B done, C done, D done, E done, F done, G done. So H is there. So this is the final solution. Here comes another puzzle. As I said previously, pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. This will be very beneficial for you. So if you can't do it, then see my solutions. So at first, read the puzzle. 8 persons were born in 4 different months, that is January, March, June and September, and on 2 different dates, that is 8 and 15th of the same year. So we first draw the table: Jan, March, June, September, and here comes 2 days. There is 8, 15, 8, 15, 8, 15, 8, 15. So let's read the questions. The first logic is years were born on 8th in one of the months having 30 days. So January 31, March 31, June 30, September 30. So it was born in 8th of one of the months having 30 days. So in one case S will be here, and in one case S will be here. There are two possibilities. The next logic is only 3 persons were born between S and P. S and P, 3 persons. So S, 1, 2, 3. We can't put right here. It is out of the box. So we have to put in the opposite side 1, 2, 3. P will be here, and in there only one case arise: 1, 2, 3, P. So the next logic is R and T were born in the same months. R, T, same. The next logic is R was born after P. R was born after P. So there are many more possibilities. It can be March R and T. It can be September R and T. Here it can be June R and T. Yeah. So let's this logic aside and try to solve the remaining logics. So U was born immediately before P. U was born immediately before P. Before. So here is before. We can find the before month or before date. So this logic will be eliminated. So here is U immediately before P. Number of persons were born between R is same as the number of persons were born after V. Q was born before W. Q was born before W. Here is another logic. Here is another logic. And the remaining logics are number of persons are born before R is the same as the number of persons are born after P. So this logic here only R and T are come here only in June. So if R comes here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to put V here 1, 2, 3, 4. If we put R here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to put V here, but P is already there. So R are born June 8 and V in June March 15 and T in June 18. And the last logic is Q was born before W. So W is in here and Q is in here. This is the final solution. And the last puzzle for today's session. Learn the first read the questions and try to solve it. Pause the video, then see the solution. So 8 persons are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center of the table. 8 persons. P is second to the left of Q. P is second to the left of Q. The next logic is only 2 persons sit between P and U. P 1, 2 U. P 1, 2 U. This can be also possible. So we have to make a second assumption. P 1, 2 U. This is the logic. P 1, 2 U. So only 2 persons sit between P and U. T faces U. So here comes T. And everybody is facing towards the center. Here comes T. R sits third to the right of T. R sits third to the right of T. 1, 2, 3. Here comes R. T. 1, 2, 3. Q is already here. So this will be eliminated. So this is the right logic, I guess. A seat third to the left of W. A seat third to the left of W. 1 2 3. Okay, if we put W here, 1 2 3, S is here, S will be here, so A sits third to the left of W is right, and V is an immediate neighbor of W. So if we put V is an immediate neighbor of W. So this is the right logic. So students, stay motivated and always be happy. This is Banker Wala signing off.